Hello everyone. Today I am going to start theme 3 algebra and chapter 11 fundamental concepts. That means in fundamental concepts this topic we had already learned in class 6 also. The same thing we will learn from the beginning and then after we will solve some problem related to the topic. See, in the fundamental concepts, how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply and how to divide. That will be learned over here, and then after, before starting this all topic, I am going to explain some important points that we had already learned in class 6 also. So, let me start. The first one, it is the elementary treatment. That means some major topic. That means what is the meaning of constants and variables. See, constants means only 2, 7, -8, 30, 25, 2019. All are the example of constants. And variables. Any alphabets X, Y, Z, all are called variables. And terms. So there are many terms can be here, but first one is C. This is a 5. There is exactly one term. 3x, 3 and x. There is only one term. X plus y plus separated x and y by 2 terms. Similarly, 2x plus 5y plus 4 is a 3 term. 1, 2 and 3. This is the example of terms. Now, what is the algebraic expressions? So, these all are called the algebraic expressions. It will be in the form of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. See here, 4x, 3xy minus 8, 2x square plus 1, 4x plus 1 divided by 3x. All are the example of algebraic expression. Now, types of algebraic expression. First, what is the meaning of monomial? That means in case of monomial, there is exactly one term. In case of monomial, it has exactly one term. That means x, one term, 5xy, one term, 3x divided by 4y, one term. Similarly, 7x plus y divided by 4 is a one term. Now, in case of binomial, bi means 2. Therefore, it has exactly two terms. That means example x plus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 term. 3x plus 1 divided by 4 plus y. That means first and second. This is 2 term. 3x square plus 5x. It is also a 2 term. Now, then after trinomial. That means tri means 3. That means it has exactly 3 terms. So, 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. And so many examples can be put over here. Now, the number 4, it is the multinomial. That means it has more than 3 terms. More than 3 terms. That means 5 term, 6 term, 7 term and etc. So, this is the 4 terms. This is a 5 term. Similarly, what is the meaning of polynomial? In all above, only monomial is not included in case of polynomials, and all of binomial, trinomial, multinomials are the examples of polynomial. That means in polynomials, at least 2 terms and more than 2 terms are there. See here, has 2 or more than 2 terms. Has 2 or more than 2 terms. See here, binomials, trinomial, multinomials. We have already seen the example of binomial, trinomial, multinomials. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of product? So, here see 7ax, that means 7 into a into x. It is in the form of product of 7a and x. Is it clear? Similarly, if I write x plus 1 into y plus of z. So, x plus 1 into y plus of z. This is also in the form of product. Now, what is the factor? See here, just read the opposite. So that means 7a and x are the factors of the terms 7a and x. Is it clear? So now what is the meaning of coefficients? So coefficients is the important part. See here 3xy square. That means if I am asking about 3 only, that means 3 is the coefficient of. आपको क्या कीजिए left the 3 only and rest of the part is what? Xy square. So 3 is the coefficient of xy square. Similarly minus 7xy cube. That means y cube, this only. Y cube is the factor of what? Minus 7x. Similarly, if minus xy cube minus xy cube minus xy cube, that means 7 is left only. So it is the coefficient of 7 only. Okay. Now the next topic, which is degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. That means to find the degree of the polynomial, see first the number of variables and each power of the variables, and the maximum power is called degree of the polynomial. It may be a monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial or polynomials. That's why I am written over here degree of the polynomial. That means see here 4x square. The power of x, that means variable power of x is what? 2. Therefore 2 is the degree of this polynomial. Similarly see here 2x square y cube. That means 2 and 3. Add them. 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 5 degree of this polynomial. 4. There is no variable. That means you can write 4x to the power 0. That's why it is called the 0 degree polynomial. See over here 5x to the power 4 plus 7x cube y square plus 2xy square equal to 3 plus 2. That means see here it has the 4 degree, it has 1 plus 2 is a 3 degree, and it has 3 plus 2 is a 5. That means maximum is where? Here. So 3 plus 2 is equal to what? 5 degree. And now see the ninth one, it is the like and unlike. Like and unlike terms. That means number of terms and corresponding degree of the polynomials should be same. Then it is called a like terms, otherwise unlike terms. So see the example for the like term. 5x, 8x. It has degree 1, it has also degree 1. It has a one term, that means it both are the what? Both are the monomial. Therefore it is the like term. Similarly 2x square, 4x square. Both are second degree and both are the what? Monomial. It may be a binomial also, but I have taken the example for the monomial only. Now see the unlike term. See here 5x, 7y. Both are monomial, but it has x variable and it has a y variable. Therefore it is a unlike term. Similarly here 3xy square, 3x square y. That means it has a 2 degree. It has also a 2 degree, but x is the power of 1, y is the power of 2. X is the power of 2, y is the power of 1. Both are not same. Therefore both are the example of unlike terms. This is the what? All about the fundamental concepts that most of the terms had already learned in class 6 also. Now even how to add all these monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomials, even the what? Polynomials. See? Then after we have the another topic, that means how to add and how to subtract. And then we will learn about the multiplication and then division also. See, I have considered one example. Add 4x square plus 3xy minus 8y square and 2xy minus 6x square plus 7y square. That means you always remember that only monomial will be added, binomial will be added, and trinomial will be added. Is it clear? So now add the solutions. See the solutions. So first you write 4x square plus 3xy minus 8y square and add plus. See the second term, second degree polynomial is what? Minus 6x square. Then xy, that means second degree with the combination of x and y. This only. So write 2xy and then plus of 7y square. Add them. So this will be what? This is a sign of minus and this is a sign of plus. So minus 8 plus 7 will be what? Minus of y square. See here, this is a plus and this is also plus. So 3 plus 2 will be what? Plus of 5xy. And this is a sign of plus and this is a sign of minus. So minus 6 and plus 4 will be what? Minus 2x square. This is the answer in case of addition. Now see the subtraction. See here, solution. Subtract this polynomial from this. That means first you write 4a plus 5b plus 6c and subtract which one? 2a plus 3b minus c. That means after subtracting the sign will be interchanged. So this sign will be what? Minus, and this will be what? Again minus, and minus will be what? It will be plus. And do the same work. That means here it is the 1c, it is a 6c. So it will be 7c plus 5 minus 3 will be what? 2b and sign will be plus, and 4 minus 2 will be 2a and sign will be plus. So this is of your answer. Okay. In the same way, you start the exercise what? 11 exercise 11a and 11b. Okay. I hope all of you are able to do the exercise. Okay. If there is any doubt, just text me on the message box and definitely I will try to solve it, and again I upload this topic. Is it clear? So please make a note.